Okay, here we got a project that's been sitting on the workbench for a little while that we got to work on. And what this is it's some kind of a cleaning car that's got these two huge weights in here, and it's got these two motors, and I've unscrewed one of them. Let's get the screws out. Okay. So it looks like this on the bottom, had two trucks, and it has these pads on it that are keyed. So they fit on these motors, and it almost looks like these motors have gearboxes on them. So I'm going to throw this out there right now, and maybe one of you guys can identify this for me. So it's a 50-foot double-door boxcar in PC, and what I got here is a dead decoder. This coder does not have motor function. I got a pile of these that don't have motor function, but some of the other functions still work. What I'd like to do is use a decoder to turn this thing on and off on a DCC layout. And my idea is maybe, because there's no way, I don't know, these motors haven't been tested yet, but there's no way we can do parallel motors and a motor controller on this for a track cleaning car. It'll burn it up. But what if we could use a transistor and use one of the light functions to turn it on and off and just have it draw track power? Because we can definitely do that using a bridge rectifier, and we'll put a capacitor in there so it doesn't crap out on us. We'll see if we can do that. We'll do that first, wire it up in DC, and then in DC that is also DCC compatible, and then we'll see if we can find one of these old decoders and see if we can get a function. Maybe we can use a transistor to turn it on and off, because we know we can get some of these guys you can identify by number. They can be programmed, everything. They can't control motors. But maybe you could turn the lights on and off with a number. We're going to see if we can do that. And we're going to test that. So we're going to get this guy all cleaned up. We're going to do them trucks and get these trucks cleaned. And then we're going to see what we got. But hopefully one of you guys is going to identify this and tell me, so I can find a diagram for it and find out anything else I need to know about it. We'll see if we can do that real quick. Let's make this a very short project.